Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Richa and today I'm going to show you how to make wax tablets. Wax tablets are basically natural air fresheners. We can use them in our bathrooms, in our cupboards or in our wardrobes, and we can also tie them in our cars, and they make great gifts as well. I'm going to show you how to make these wax tablets using spices available in our homes and using fresh rose petals, and also I'm going to decoupage on these wax tablets. So for making these wax tablets we'll be needing some wax. I have taken microcrystalline wax here. You can also use soy wax or beeswax. Then some spices. I've taken cinnamon, star anise, some cloves and black pepper. Then these are fresh rose petals, some pencils and brushes, some aroma oils. I'm using jasmine, citronella, rose and green apple. Then satin ribbon, Mod Podge, then varnish, some tissue napkins and silicone molds for making the tablets. So before starting the video, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my updates. So now let's start. So to begin with, we are going to melt the wax, and this is a wax which I'm going to melt, and I'll melt this and come back to you. I have melted the wax and now I'll simply pour the melted wax into the molds. So after pouring the wax, it's time to add the fragrances. I'm taking jasmine first. And I'm going to add some 15 to 20 drops of jasmine, because these will act as air fresheners. So, and I want a bit strong smell, so I'm putting a bit more. And just stir it using a toothpick. In a similar way, I'll add the rest of the fragrances. I'm using rose for the heart one, and I'm going to put rose petals in the heart one. Already my room is smelling amazing since I've taken all the floral fragrances over here. Now as you can see, my wax has started to get hard, so I'll use these pencils and I'll fix the pencils at the top of the mold so that there will be a hole, and I can easily fix my satin ribbons and I can easily tie it. Oops. I think it has to be a bit more harder. Yeah. You also get molds in the market which already have holes in them, but I was not having such molds, so I just used this trick of fixing the pencils to make the hole. So this is how I have fixed the pencils. Now I'll wait for the tablets to get hard, and once these are hard I'll be demolding them. But before that, I am missing out an important point, and which is fixing the spices. So I have just taken my spices and gently I'm going to fix them in the tablet. Star anise, some cinnamon, you'll have to be really quick in this because if the wax hardens, then you won't be able to fix them. You can also use lavender or orange essential oils. The choice is completely yours which kind of fragrance you want for your tablets. So this is how I'm fixing my spices. And now the rose petals. These are fresh rose petals. You can also use dried ones. Yeah, I think that will be okay. So this is how I have put my petals and spices. Now I'll let this set and then I'll proceed further. Our tablets are now hard and ready to demold. So I'm going to gently take them out of the mold. So that's it. I'll remove the extra wax. Now the heart one. So both the heart and the oval ones are ready. And this is how the hole is formed. Now I'll keep both these asides and I'll demold the rectangle one because I'm going to do decoupage on that, and I'll show you how to decoupage it, and at the end we'll be tying a satin ribbon to it and I'll show you the final outcome. So now let's demold these. I think the other one is a bit softer, so I'll take 10 more minutes to unmold them, and then I'll show you how to decoupage. So now on these two rectangular tablets I'm going to do decoupage, and I'll be separating this particular rose for doing the decoupage. The entire design won't fit in, but I'll try to fit in how much ever it is possible to. So guys, we are done with all the tablets, all the 4 tablets that we made. I have tied one satin ribbon in one of the tablet, and I'll show you for the rest. Since I have made a quite bigger hole, so it's easier for me to put the satin ribbon inside. just make a small knot. So this is it. Similarly, I'll make it for the other two. So guys, after hanging, this is how my tablets look like. I have hung this on a holder in a room, and believe me, my room is smelling amazing. So do give a try and make these beautiful wax tablets, and let me know your inputs in the comment section. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And for more such wonderful videos, keep watching Enchanting Lights. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.